Good afternoon, everybody. How's it going? Jim Reynolds here. Looks like we're expecting some more rain. Another storm. So far, so good. It's like about 5, 6 o'clock we might get it. Anyway, not to keep talking about it, but my back is still troubling me. I intended to go for a ride today, but I'm just not sure how it's going to work out with me. For now, with this back thing, I'm not going to have much of a Sunday video for you, but I've been kind of thinking about camera mounting positions and things like that. But I have an MRI on Tuesday, so hopefully they'll figure out maybe what the problem is. Give me a pathway to at least manage the pain or fix whatever it is that's wrong. I'm gonna have to just start doing stuff and just working through it, I guess. I did manage to get some tree trimming done today. I got the yard mowed, and my son-in-law Yvonne came over here and did some weed eating for me. I appreciate that because that's pretty painful. But I worked on trimming some of these crazy jungles I got going on here. That went up there. I don't think I'm even going to try to get that one under control. And that one over there. There's a lot of poison ivy in there, and I don't anticipate that I'm wanting to get that, but there's a lot of trimming around here to be done, and of course when I cut it I got to get rid of it, so that means a burn pile, which is back there, which I need to start burning. Either that or I need to get me a wood chipper or homeowner's version of one. Get rid of this stuff, at least make mulch out of it. But I guess Rome wasn't built in a day, so we've been here a couple years. Eventually I'll get this under control. Put my neighbor rolling in. Can't tell what he rides. Could be an Indian. Wind's starting to pick up now a little bit. I hope we don't get much of a storm. Friday night we got hit pretty well. It wasn't terrible, but our power went out. Fortunately, we didn't have as much problems as other people did. But the wind's starting up here, and I'm starting to get some sprinkles, so I'm probably going to have to move in. I love these big old trees out here, but when I sit under them like this, sometimes I wonder how wise it is when the wind blows. Well, it looks like it's just going to be a gentle rain, I hope. But I got the fuel line repaired on the GMC there. I didn't do it, but had somebody do it for me. I'm going to try to crawl under there and show you what they did, but say I'm not going to do it now because I don't want to lay on the wet pavement. Anyway, if this is all we get, that's cool. Nice gentle rain, that's what we need. We don't need that stinking wind. All right, I'm trying out these 3 angles here. Got that wire hanging down out of my dang helmet for the intercom. So anyway, see how this works out. How's everybody doing? Doing pretty good here. We were supposed to get some storms earlier. The advisory expired at 3:45 and it's about 4:30 now, so we didn't get much rain. We didn't get much wind or anything out of that storm, so that suits me just fine. But anyway, I think I'm going to wrap this video up. As far as this weekend goes, it's kind of been a week-long video. Anyway, I'm not going to say anything more about my back much, but it's still bothering me to the point where very uncomfortable. But I figure that's just the way it's going to be, so I'm not going to mention my back much anymore. But although it is pretty much the first thing I think about when I get up in the morning and the last thing I think about when I go to bed, because the pain is always there. Anyway, this will probably be my Sunday video unless something exciting happens tomorrow. You guys have a great week and we'll see you later.